Hi, I'm Abbie Herniman. I am an interior designer from Christchurch and own the company, The Homemaker. The project we're sitting in right now, the clients really loved organic finishes and materials and wanted an easy coastal feel. The reason we chose brushed brass was it really fit in with the material use that we were doing. So we wanted lots of really beautiful muted tones. I came across ABI on Instagram actually, and to begin with, I obviously loved the style of it, and once I started specifying it in jobs, it was pretty incredible to find out that quality is incredible, but the price point is really reasonable, and so I've been really happy specifying that in my homes because of that. I found the ABI team really incredible when it comes to communicating, and I think especially having that direct line of communication makes it really seamless. The reason I named the Homemaker just that was because I really want to make especially new builds feel like they have some soul to them and personality, and so I'm really interested in getting to know my clients well, know what their passions are, what they love, and incorporate that through my own lens as a designer to be able to create a home that really feels special to them.